newscast is off the air.
Save Princess from zombies.
Pierre! Pierino! Polly got a brain! Pierre!
Zombie brain suckers.
Pierre!
Zombie!
Hello? What's going on up there? He's armed!
Technically, those are wings.
Run anyway!
Take that, brain suckers! Take that, flesh eaters! Go back to where you came from, zombies! Hey, zombies! Feast on this!
Oh, man. Pierre is acting weirder than usual.
And without his pedal power, our newscast is finito!
I'm sure you'll think of something.